Hey guys, look at my beautiful sugar cookies. These are stamped sugar cookies. Aren't they pretty? They just came out of the oven. Here, look at the bottom, how nice they turned out. I can't wait to try them. Yes, I happen to use vegan butter for these because that's how you make them. I'm so proud of them. They look good. I never had a stamper set before, so this was really different. So I got this stamper set from Walmart. It was $4.97, and you get all different kinds. There's all kinds in here. Let me show you. See, that's a present. Let me show you all of them. So when I bought it, I didn't know anything about these, but okay, here's a butterfly, gingerbread, he's cute, little Christmas tree, little snowflake, and some bells, and they're super simple to take off. You just take it off like this. I'm doing this with one hand, so see, oops. And if you want to put a new one on, you just take it. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. I think I can. Oh, there it is, already on. How cool is that? And then you make your dough, and then you make it into like a golf ball size, and you roll it in sugar, and then you take the stamper and you kind of go straight down on it. And then you got to put them in the freezer for 10 minutes first before you bake them. Bake them at 375, and these took about 15 minutes because they're pretty big. But yeah, see? And they're vegan. And what did I use in here? Flour, baking powder, salt, butter, brown sugar. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. The butter's vegan butter. I'll show you what it looks like. This stuff here, can't believe it's not butter. You have to use like a cup of this though. And then what you do is you make a big batch of dough, then you roll it into two pieces, like cut it into two pieces, and then flatten them out and wrap them up in plastic like this. And then what I did was I just cut my slices, just cut them into like a golf, and rolled it into a golf ball, and then you roll the cookies into sugar. And that's how I did it. But this here you can put in the fridge because this is all I made today, 6. And then I'll make these another day because there's no sense in making them all. This way we'll have fresh cookies. And then you just store it in the fridge right like that. I'm so happy they turned out great. We can't wait to try them. So hopefully you like this little recipe. This little stamping thing, that I'm showing you. I didn't give you the recipe, but I could show it to you real fast. I did get it online though, the recipe. But let me put this away and I'll show you. I didn't film any of it because I don't know that anybody would care. So here's the recipe. You can just screenshot this. This is almond milk. Oh, for icing. I didn't even do icing. This is optional. I just rolled mine in sugar. See? Just like that. Here's the directions to dip them, like I just told you. So, yeah, that's the recipe there. And maybe you'll give it a try. I don't know. But, alright, that's all I wanted to show you. So it's like the morning of Christmas Eve. So it's like 1:20 in the morning. And we're going to have cookie. Alright, guys. Hopefully have a good Christmas. And stay safe. Hopefully you're all warm. I don't know how the weather is in your area. But, I know it was pretty windy here today, and snow showers, and just a lot of wind, snow showers and rain. It wasn't quite as bad as they kept saying. But yeah, so anyways, stay safe. Have a good Christmas. I'll be putting one more video up before the new year, I think. So, take care.